Hey guys, today I got a Fireball 100 5-to-1, and I sold all my equipment yesterday. So I found this on eBay. I was wondering why it costed $160. So I started texting the guy. I'm like, hey, well, what's going on? Why is it so cheap? Because I sold all my stuff for like $9.50. And usually these ones, they go between 1,000 to 1,200 US. So he said that they tried to fix it, and they don't have time to waste. So I bought it. Gonna fix it up, see what's wrong, because I like these challenges. So yeah, it's in rough shape, but we're gonna make it right. You and me. Okay, first things first. Nothing like beef jerky and greasy hands. Gonna take the covers off. These two. Work harder, not smarter. I mean, work smarter, not harder. Is it drill? Bam. It does stink though. God, it stinks. And I did ask him, did you have a filter and an air regulator? He said no. Fucking disgusting. I don't know who watches this, but I know my mom watches it all the time. Hi, Mom. She's like, oh, at least he's keeping busy, not doing drugs or drinking. What's drugs? Oh, this one's cross-threaded. Ew. Oh, another thing that I noticed, sometimes this piston, when it goes up and down, there's this sponge. It's from the air muffler, and sometimes they break off. So that's probably the cause of this, and also not having air filters and air regulators. God, that's fucking ugly. Still oil on it. Put that to the side, clean it. I use Varsol to clean all my stuff. So now, gotta take this one off. It's 1 7/8. There's your issue. Look, it broke right off. That's why it won't work. Fucking cocksuckers. this out. Ah, fuck it. Okay, now we're going to take the cap off and let's see what it looks like. So this is going to be a two-part. I'm going to disassemble it, see what I need, order the parts, and because my distributor in Calgary takes them like 2 weeks to get parts, so I gotta. So from everything that I sold yesterday, I'm able to update my part list. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh my god! Oh, what the fuck? That's not supposed to do that. Holy fuck. But we're gonna fix it. Show you how. Wow. Okay. So take this, put it back, disassemble everything. I should wear gloves. But hey, be a man. So I'm taking these pockets out. It's time consuming to do. I like it. I've seen bad, but this is the worst. So I like all the feedback that I'm getting, and of course there's those haters. I love you too. It's probably from my fireball job, reporting me. Fuck you. Okay, so now got that off. Because usually when we take these caps off, this is supposed to be stuck together as one piece. I have a special vise that has a hole. Put it on here so you could take it off. But this guy, he probably tried probably use thread lock and impact wrench. Fucking dodos. Holy shit, this is all broken. Okay. But that's okay. So we're gonna take these. You know, I could stop and do some editing, but you're in this for the ride with me. We're gonna do this together. Okay, so now oh, and I got some pretty exciting news. I found a company that manufactures those 1050 diaphragm pumps, the one that we're working on last time. And well, we're gonna be assembling and getting some under the blue collar label. So I will have my own diaphragm pumps. And get this, the parts that my diaphragm pump is the same parts used for Graco. So instead of paying for parts like the diaphragm itself, the ball and seats, spending like 400 bucks or so, I get it for 50. My own manufactured diaphragm pump. Can't wait. All right. Now we're gonna take this off. I need a flat head. So here there's a little pin. Never lose that. So you have the pin going across and the spring. Taking a look, spring looks good, so we're gonna reuse that, put that here, put it somewhere where I'll remember. Well, fuck, it stinks so bad. Taking it apart's easy, but putting it back together, spring. This is good. At least this is good. Okay. So now let's look at this. These are... Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a brand new air motor kit. Gotta figure out how to take this out. They didn't even cut the stem off. That is no good. See, this one broke right off on this side. So you have your poppet. So you have your poppet underneath here, and each time air gets pushed up, this poppet goes up, lets the air, then brings down the rod, plugs this, and that's how the piston works. Oh, look at this. Fucking more shit. Fucking bullshit. Fuck, these guys are yo-yos. Look at the side here. So it's got the spring, and it's missing here. This one's here. This one's missing. Wow. See, that's what happens when you don't have goddamn filter. And yeah, this kind of bent too. Wow. These guys. Look at that. So now we're going to take the stem off. What's the best way? Now let's do it here. Okay. So in here there's two balls. When the suction comes, one closes, then the other one opens. I went ahead and I took this apart earlier, but I was sweating my fucking balls off. Okay, anyways. Now this part is gonna come off. Hit myself in the ribs. Let's do this. Let's see if this works. We'll figure it out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Fuck, it's days like this I wish I stayed in school. Nah, just kidding. Okay. Give me one more shot. Do it until it's done. Hopefully I don't break anything. Holy shit. That's bad. Okay. Okay. I don't mind. That's why we got rags. Okay, bear with me. Okay, I know we're at 19. Hope you're not bored. I might just chuck this. Nah. Okay. Okay. Let's talk more work. I am determined to take it off. Just use a bigger hammer. Okay, let's get her done. Holy fuck. I'm gonna pause it for a sec because this is pissing me off. Pause. Oh, my finger's dirty. Fucking pause. Nah, I guess you can't go anywhere. Here's this is a bigger wrench. Try this. I should do this live so I can get some feedback. Be like, Dean, throw it in the garbage. No. This is the thought process. Holy moly. Fuck, it's like they used Loctite on here. They tried to fix it. No, it's not cross-threaded, so that's good. This is the long part. So we're gonna clean this out. And inside there is O-ring. See that? That green one? I have to replace that too. Wow. So this is one piece. Wash that. Wash that. And then this piece should come right out. Yeah, there you go. Let's take a look in here. Oh yeah. So that's there. We got an O-ring here that we're going to replace. That comes with the kit. And then there's a ball here also, but I'm not going to take that apart. So this is it for taking it apart. And yeah, you'll see the before and after, the way it looks, because this is just garbage. But anyways, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. It's a beautiful day out. My wife should be coming home soon, so I'm gonna probably go do some barbecue. But yeah, I'm gonna order the parts, see what else I need. But you have a good day, and I'll see you once I have all the parts. All right? Love you. Bye.